Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you're tuning in from around the globe. Good morning. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Welcome to the Trillion Dollar Tickers broadcast. I'm your host, Matt Richards. It is the weekend, so you know what that means. We are charting and preparing the levels for next week. In each episode, we'll start from a blank chart and we'll give you precise levels to look for next week. This show is for education and entertainment only. Always do your own research, but you can use this show as a foundation. Next up, we have the retail and cloud giant Amazon. This thing been running, y'all. It was falling, but it's been running crazy the past couple weeks, so let's get into it. All right, we're going to start on the weekly. Wow, look at that. Isn't that amazing? You see this week when it came down 12%, and what it do this past week? 13% to the upside. Incredible retracement. Wow. You had a crazy drop, consolidation, crazy run up. But let me get into it. You know, we like to keep each episode under 10 minutes. So the first thing we like to do is put the all-time high up there, then go on a weekly chart and look for places where price had a big reaction. Look like we had a double bottom here. There we go. All right. And then this lines up greatly with that and that and that. There we go. And I just like to round down to the nearest 10 cent. Look like we had a nice level right there. And it didn't want to break. Look at that. Here, 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 here. Very nice, very nice. And we can just go up here. You also got this one though. Let me see. Yeah, both of these. Alright, we coming into heavy resistance up here. This is flat. Oh, that's November. Alright, we'll leave this spike for the daily chart. Let me see. Yeah, I like this double bottom right here. All right, now we go to the daily. There we go. Now we can find those levels that are above this weekly. Let me go ahead and roll that up. Here we go. And more. There we go. Let's see. All right. I do want to get another level in here somewhere, but I'm currently not seeing one. Let me go to a smaller time frame. See if we can get a level in here. Look at that. I like that. Rejection right here, rejection right here. We're going to put a 4 hour on that. Go ahead and roll that down. We got another. I like that right there too. go back to the daily and then go to the candlesticks. See what we got, folks. Crazy gaps too. Crazy gap. This thing been like a rocket ship, boy. And that thing got up again. There we go. Alright. Amazon current price $238.38 to the downside support. We got this 236.65 followed by the gap, which is the top of the gap is 235.24. The bottom of the gap is 233.78. Underneath that, we got a weekly level here at 232.50, followed by another weekly level here at 226.50. To the upside resistance, we got 240, 242.70, 244.40. That's what we got on Amazon, y'all. Alright, next we like to check out the SMAs. Amazon is above all the SMAs. This is the 20 SMA that's curling up. This is the 50 SMA that's going down. And this is the 200 SMA. So it just recently broke over the 200 SMA with a lot of volume and power. So yes, this thing looks like it's going to continue to the upside. That's the 100 SMA. So it broke over the 100 SMA the day before it broke over the 200 SMA. This is the 400 SMA. As you can see, once it gapped up over the 400 SMA. So that thing is strong right now. Alright, next we like to check out the smart money concepts. Oh, it is coming into, this is a smart money concept support zone. Once it came in there, that thing ran out of there crazy. But this is a smart money concepts resistance zone, so it is coming up on that, so be aware about that. And that's starting at 241.51. Let's check out the algo, see if we got any recent signals. We did have a buy signal here before the gap up. So this was the entry, 233.65. So the first target is going to be 244.03 followed by 254.41, y'all. Alright, that's what we got for Amazon. Next up is going to be TSM. If you want to see any of the other $1 trillion tickers, we did those yesterday. I did Nvidia, Apple, Google, Tesla, Microsoft. Those are all on my channel, all on the live column. Just click live and you'll be able to see that. And I also did SPY and QQQ. And I'm doing TSM up next. Thanks for tuning in. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom. Peace, blessings, financial freedom.